Hello friends, looking under the front bumper of my 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage, there's been this plastic tab that's been bothering me. Looking under the bumper from left to right, we can see the left side there's this plastic tab with a push fastener in it. And in the center, there's what appears to be where a plastic tab should be that's missing. Not much I can do about that. Then further to the right, there's this plastic tab that's been bothering me. This is bent out of place, but it should be folded flat against that lower radiator support with a push fastener installed within it. You can see it's a slot on the bumper because the tolerances for the bumper are not perfect. You can see this is caused by this front end damage right here. This is from me trying to drive over a precast concrete parking stone. I thought the car would go over it for me to park close to the building, but we didn't fit. So I bought this kit of every possible push fastener from Amazon. It's very cheap. Now we're just going to randomly try them from what appears to be largest to smallest until I find one that fits. So as you can see, this one right here is too large for the hole, so we're going to try one that's slightly smaller. This one's also too large for the hole. It might actually be the same size as the other one I tried. The kit is not actually organized very well. This one seems to fit well. To make installation easier, I've pulled out the centerpiece and right now I'm just trying to push in the outer part of the push pin. Now I'm going to put the centerpiece into the push pin. This expands its like 4 legs behind the sheet metal, preventing it from sliding back out. Here you can see, although my bumper looks okay from the front of the car, it's actually quite deformed. That's the wheel well liner. Just give it a little tug to make sure it's not coming loose. Looking at the vehicle from the front, we no longer see that dangling plastic tab, which is great. And taking a quick look at the fastener we just installed, you can see that there are those 2 notches on either side, opposite of each other. Those are so you can get a flathead screwdriver in and pop out that center piece to get it off again. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below.